beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below so you're notified when my new videos are up, and follow me on social media. That means let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So last month I did an unboxing for a Jeffree Star box, and I loved everything I got inside that I decided to get another one. This one here is a little bit bigger, and it is from Beautylish. And I'm so excited because I know that the last box I got, everything I really loved, and I really wanted to try out more of Jeffree Star's products. So here it is, and I'll link the exact box down below in the description bar. But Beautylish creates these boxes. They curate it and add a bunch of Jeffree Star products in here, and they do also have like other brands, but of course, like I said, I want to try more of his products. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna unbox this together. I did already break the seal right here, but look how gorgeous the packaging is. So we're gonna go ahead and open that. And it is packed. This is a very heavy box, so I'm sure there's going to be tons of products. So this is what it looks like, and there are some that are bubble wrapped, and then these are on the top. So we'll start with the top ones first. And the first thing I see here is, it is called Are You Filming? It looks like it's a lipstick. By the way, his lipsticks are incredible. They are very long lasting. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a very nice orangey red color. It's gorgeous. This one looks amazing. Perfect for Valentine's. The next thing in here is this, and it's called Bronze Blood. Ooh, this one's different. It's one of his Velour liquid lipsticks, and it's in this gorgeous like bronzy color. This is going to be a perfect color for the summertime, like for that bronzy look. And it does have this beautiful like neon green packaging. Gorgeous. Okay, the next thing I have here, it is the gloss, and this one here is very, very popular. It's called Her Glossiness. And wait till you guys see the packaging on this. It's gorgeous. It is beautiful. That's one of the main reasons why I love all his makeup, because of the packaging. It's beautiful. I also see another the gloss in here, and these glosses are so glossy and so beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at the packaging, and I think I already have this one because it's very similar. Yes, I do. This one is in the shade Mouthful, but I'm so glad I got another one because I can give this to my sister. She loved the last box I got, so I'm definitely going to give that to her. This is so incredible, and it's extremely glossy, and it lasts a very long time. And then the next thing in here is this one. It is called the Diet Velour Lip Scrub and Diet Root Beer. These are incredible, especially after and before applying your liquid lipsticks, especially if you have like dry lips. And it looks like this. The packaging is extremely luxurious. It's very nice. And this is from Shane Dawson, one of his collaborations with Jeffree Star. Oh, it smells so delicious. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible. I can't wait to use this. It is a lip scrub, and it leaves your lips super soft and silky. So there's still more in here. That was just the top of the box. Look how packed this is. So I do see that they also sent me a palette that I already have. It's the Orgy Palette. This is such a popular palette, and I'm so excited that I got another one, to be honest with you, because my sister loved the palette that I got. So I'm definitely gonna give that to her. She's gonna be so excited. This palette is beautiful. It has tons of matte shades. They are extremely pigmented. I am so in love with my palette, and I'm so glad I got another one. So it looks like this. Packaging is adorable. It's gorgeous. And I did do some swatches on my last previous video, so I'll link it down below in case you're interested. But I'll definitely have to do a look with this because I am loving this palette so much. And all the shades are just gorgeous, perfect for every day. Very, very pigmented. So all these here are in this little bubble wrap, and there is a bunch of things in here. So we're gonna open that up, There is one of his Supreme Frost highlighters. I'm so excited for this one. This one is in the shade Frozen Peach. And I love highlighters, and wait till you see the packaging on this. Look how beautiful. It's pink and it has Jeffree Star's logo on it. So beautiful. Let's see the pigmentation on this. It's such a pretty highlighter. I am loving this. So it comes with that highlighter, and then also in here there is one of his mini controversy palette with Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, the collaboration. And these colors are so pretty. They have this shade here that's the Diet Root Beer that goes with the lip scrub, which is really cute. But I love all these shades. They're definitely very colorful, very vibrant. But it's always nice to kind of switch it up a little bit and go on the fun side. So I'm so glad that there's this palette in there as well. I also got the Thirsty palette, which I am very excited for. So basically I got 3 palettes in this box, which is really awesome. And here it is. Beautiful packaging. Oh, and here are the shades. Look how beautiful these are. These just remind me of summertime, like in a tropical island. Gorgeous shades, and they are just beautiful. Like, these are so pigmented. Even the glittery ones, they are extremely pigmented, which is great because sometimes whenever you get like a palette that has glittery shades, they're not that pigmented, but these are definitely beautiful colors. So there's still 2 more things in here. There is a pink box and a blue box. And the pink one, oh my goodness, is this a mirror? Yes, it's a mirror. I am so excited, you guys. I can't believe I got a mirror. How beautiful. It's the Jeffree Star logo mirror. It's in this beautiful, it's like a black, like a grayish black color. Look how stunning. You guys, I'm going to use this for my tutorials now. I am so excited, and the quality is really good. Like, I can tell you right off just by looking at it, it's really good quality. It's absolutely stunning. And then there's another thing in here. Just get everything out. This one here, it's another mirror, and let's see which one this one is. Oh, how cute. This one is the Piggy Mirror that goes along with the lipsticks that I got last time. Look how pretty this is. This is so cute, and this is like in a light silver color. Amazing quality as well. So yeah, you guys, this is everything I got in my Jeffree Star box from Beautylish. I got tons of amazing items. I got 2 mirrors full size. I got 3 palettes, a bunch of lipsticks, lip glosses, and even a lip scrub. So I highly recommend it. It's totally worth it, and I am just loving everything that I got. I'll link it down below in case you're interested in getting the same box or something from Beautylish. I really hope you loved today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Yeah. And I thought it's time